What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test alarm security torch. Very unique looking flashlight, almost like a lantern, not 360 quite yet. And over here looks like one of those speaker alarms and on and off button. Okay, let's see what kind of batteries it takes. 3 AAA batteries, so that's cool, very simple. So obviously you got it here, pretty bright flashlight. First of all, regular flashlight. If you look at here, press it again, like a mini lantern now, and off. So 2 moods, and let's see how loud it is. Wow, that is loud. Especially if you point this at somebody. Ooh, it's louder. It is highly painful. So I think this is perfect for, I don't know, against big animals like bears, cougars, could be coyotes or wolves. If you're camping out in a Yellowstone especially, I would buy one of those. Also, they would be good up here too. We have black bears and stuff, and you never know, maybe a moose tried to attack you. That could be helpful. So let's shut off the light, let's see how bright it is. And the difference it is, all you have to do is just press the third button. Highly loud, that's amazing. Wow, never seen a gadget like that. It's not super dark, but as you can see, it's pretty nice floodlight. You don't have that pointy thing like old flashlight. And then right here you got a mini lantern, which is good. If you want a concerned battery, just press 1 like that, so that way you're pointing which way you're going.